Critical level, critical level, critical level, critical level.
All I ask is that these niggas keep it real with me. Half of these niggas can't even do that. It's Lil Kevis. Y-P S-G. Said a prayer last night and I don't think it changed shit. Woke up this morning still dealing with the same shit. Back in the studio it's like a nigga can't quit. Cause I don't know what I want in life, but I know it ain't this. Alan text me, asked me how I'm doing and I had to lie. Shit got hard, I couldn't make it but I had to try. Mama don't understand that a baby boy mastermind. Even went back to school and she ain't even satisfied. Don't nobody understand what I had to go through. They wasn't there when I ain't had no house to come home to. Young nigga 15 out there on my own too. And grown niggas face like what the fuck you said you gon' do? Huh? My trust fucked up bad, cut off a lot of niggas. Lately I been down bad, I'm back to robbing niggas. These bitch niggas miss Doubtfire like Robin Williams. The dope boys in my hood was like my father figure. Since legit, this the shit that I was interested in. Trying to make it out after all the time I invested in. Niggas go to prison, do a month and get the checking in. I just pray that when I get to heaven, God let me in. And I pray the niggas I'm rocking with keep it 100. And know that even if I ain't around, I still run it. And know that even if I'm dead and gone, we still a family. My name gon' forever live on, so don't abandon me. I just ask that you niggas keep it real with me. Even when I'm stressing and my pockets feel empty. I just ask that you niggas keep it a buck with me. And if I get fucked up, you still gon' fuck with me. I just ask that you niggas keep it real. Or am I asking for too much, nigga? And if I am, chances is 9 times out of 10 I'm probably asking from a fuck nigga. Did some things for my niggas that I just can't explain. Still in the streets with my niggas, I'm trying to make a name. It's kinda crazy looking back, a lot of shit to change. Kicked it with some of my old niggas, it ain't the same. The only niggas I fuck with claiming the game. The mother niggas ride the bench, they ain't in the game. If you ain't rocking with the clique, just stay in your lane. Or get knocked out it when we go to spraying the things. We down to ride for whatever we believe in. Young niggas down to hit a lick on the kingpin. That's just how you living when you came up on that street shit. I ain't the one to test that 40 what I'ma cheat with. Told my niggas stay down and we gon' all eat. Couple niggas in my gang in they y'all street. Same niggas I'm on a mission to make it with. I just hope they really rockin' with me like they say they is. I just ask that you niggas keep it real with me. Even when I'm stressing and my pockets feel empty. I just ask that you niggas keep it a buck with me. And if I get fucked up, you still gon' fuck with me. I just ask that you niggas keep it real. Or am I asking for too much, nigga? And if I am, chances is 9 times out of 10 I'm probably asking from a fuck nigga. Am I asking for too much, nigga? And if I am, chances is 9 times out of 10 I'm probably asking from a fuck nigga. I'm probably asking from a fuck nigga. I'm probably